Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So today we're gonna unbox another few items from Olive Young's that I just bought. I just received like 2 days ago, and this is the box. So this is the order I ordered from Olive Young. I think biggest sales of this time. So it's quite. They have quite good deals. So if you guys haven't like you like their products and some of the most Korean favorite or famous products, you can get it from Olive Young, this website. And I just saw there's some new products that I wanted to try, and some other products that I know that is good and I want to buy during this sale. So let's see what I got from here, Olive Young. Usually you see that I told you that I like the packaging, like the wrapping ways from Olive Young, because they are very careful, like make it so when it's the delivery or people that drop off the package, they don't break or like with the product inside. It's a big late at night, you guys, and I don't want to wake people up. So these are some of the products that I bought. To wrap up. So the first product is this one. It's from Abba. I don't know how to call it brand, but it's very popular recently with the first serum spray, and I bought it like a month ago and I use it and I love it. So now this become the next product that I wanted to try. This is their tone up sunscreen, but it's purple correcting, so it means that instead of regular tone up sunscreen, it has a purple tint in it, so when you apply it cancel out the redness from your skin. So since when I ordered it, I just realized that they have the pink one too, but I mean it's so popular, it's already out of stock, and then everybody trying to buy it too. So I may got the last one before it's like sold out. Even the purple one is sold out. This is sold out. I was worried that it's not get to me because it's so popular. But I had it and I'm almost out of my sunscreen too, so let's see. Yeah, because I really enjoy using the first spray serum, the truffle serum of this brand, that I want to try the other product as well. So it's still like other Korean sunscreen. It's always have the SPF 50 plus and PA 4 plus. Then said it UVS and waterful plus protect skin from UV rays while moisturizing and vitalizing with a light formula. So it's gonna have a light consistency and it's gonna tone up. So this is how it looks. And then so it's like this. So right now I kind of don't want to open it yet, but when I'm trying it, I'm going to share with you guys if I like this or not, because now I feel like I want to use tone up sunscreen, so it feels with my skin a lot, and it's like kind of like color corrected it a little bit before I apply makeup, and I feel like if I wear my natural skin without makeup, I feel more confident and it works for me. So some of you guys may like this one, but no color correcting, so that's why it's depend on your preference. But for me, I like to use the tone up one, and I think it may restock this soon, so you can order it from Olive Young if you like to try it. Next one is this one. called Hint, and it's called True Dimension Radiance Balm. I don't think you see it, but basically this one is like it's like a highlighting products, but instead of having color, like usually it's like a glowing effect, like a glittery or shimmer. This one is just like a balm, but it gives you a natural glowing skin. It's like inside out. It's just like you have a wet skin kind of look, and it's show that you have a young. So you are like really natural glowing. It's like without adding any color or adding. It's more like a, you know, when you put on the lip balm, it's kind of have that texture. It's a little bit waxy and wet kind of look, but I think it's really natural on your skin if you apply it on your cheek or your lips. I think it's a multi-use. So I saw this show it on my feed a lot lately, and then I have to try it out to see if it's really show like natural glowy skin or not. So this is this. Next one is this. So it's called Round Lab. The brand is Round Lab, and it is a stick sunscreen. It's like a, so it's like kind of stick. So you roll it up and sunscreen. So this is kind of for somebody that really don't like to use regular sunscreen and don't have time to apply sunscreen with your hands, or like lazy, or that want something that's really quick and easy to use, but also even a nice layer of sun protection. And this for you. This is this also has SPF 50 plus, PA 4 plus. So it's a good brand. My sister tried this brand before, and I think she likes it. Also, I've been using this for a while now, and I like it too. So if you like somebody that doesn't want color sunscreen, something that quick and easy to use, you can just apply this on your face every day, and that's it. Easy, fast, and you don't have to do anything else. Okay. Doesn't give you any color and sun protection, easy to use. It's a 10. It is a 10. The next one is this products. So this one is called Chumiso All Day Vitamin Brightening and Balancing. I did a space serum. So the story about this product that it's like one day that I am out of my serum, and go online. I want to find something that first affordable. Second is have vitamin C, again brightening my skin, and it works. And the serum, like the consistency is okay. So it's not breaking me out, and it have to be Korean products. So I look and I see this product is kind of have a lot of good reviews, so I bought this and try it, and then at the end I think I really love it. I like it, but then after finish the first bottle I use something else, because for serum I don't really stay with one serum, but I've tried a few times, and then I want to see or compare it and to make sure that this is the one I'm gonna use longer term. So now for the Olive Young sale, I will buy this products, and I want to use it when my current serum is out. So yeah, this is a good product if you want to try. gentle for your skin. That I want to try more of the products. So from the sale, I bought this one to see if I like it, as I like other products on the brand. But yeah, I don't really buy a lot from the sale, but I mean their sale is super big, and there's a lot of deals that I got only from Phuong, not somewhere else, and the price is compared to other places that I order Korean products online is quite affordable. I think it's okay. So it's a trusted brand. I love buying products from them, and these products I know that they're good, and I will try all of them out. But you guys know the result. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and just wait for my next beauty haul video, or my makeup video, or my skincare video. And good night.